What are you doing, boys?
We're pump fitting.
You're putting the chingaderas?
Yeah.
The chinkas. The shingas.
Well, this is a lot flatter than
Oh, hey, look. They're making carpet fit. So I think that's a speedo cable. That's going to go up. And the clutch and brake are going to come through that slot.
Right. And then the gas pedal will come up through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the little rest. There you go. Look at that. That's not terrible.
We just got this cable.
Wait, where's the clutch?
It's in there.
Oh, is it stuffed in there?
We're just kind of mocking up.
Oh, okay. Oh, you don't need a clutch right now.
There it is.
741, stopped in Kansas, and we got into...
Look at
That
that.
actually looks pretty good.
It's actually pretty good. Yeah.
That's some good looking carpet. I mean, other than the speedo cable totally fucking us over,
So then it's this the back seat?
I would assume that's notched for.
There's probably for the bolt. See, there's a
I think
bolt
that one's for
where the
this
clutch
side. I think that's for this side. Yes.
Oh, look at that. There you go. Footwell.
There you go.
So this transmission hump must be one of those.
The strips,
Yeah.
and then that piece is a strip. Look at that. Ooh, carpet mock-up.
Carpet munchers.
Wait, what? Yes?
Well, we got one here.
I prefer laminate flooring.
I don't blame you.
Although, have you seen my back? I mean, really.
You're a chupacabra.
That would be that looks like it's trans
I
tunnel.
think that's a side thing.
That looks like a trans tunnel deal or a door deal.
Yeah, it could be the door sills.
Grant, I bet you that's
I bet it goes here.
That's the back
this
of the
one.
back seat.
That's this right here.
No, that's the back of the back seat.
Oh yeah, that's the back of the seat.
Back of the seat.
Look at this.
See?
Look at. Oh yeah.
Smarter than I look. Barely.
Questionable. No one asked.
That's gonna go. Yeah. Because it's gonna have to cut out the windows.
I thought this was supposed to be measured to fit.
It's pretty precision fit.
Like, see how they have this cut out?
Oh my god. Hold it up. Hold it up. Or a spare tire deal.
It's got a slit in the middle of it.
Is there a piece that? Ooh. Look at this. This is like.
It's like a puzzle.
This is like a puzzle.
This is a bit of a
Carpet puzzle. Oh, look at that. That looks halfway decent. That's short. Is that a? That's got a hole in it. Look, it's marked for a hole. Look.
It is marked for a hole, but is there a hole anywhere? Is there a hole back there?
No.
Yeah, it's like a gas tank.
What would you make of that?
Jamaica me crazy.
Where's is the shifter on the? Is this the shifter?
Yes.
The shifter's up there. It's a 4 on the tree.
Oh, 4 on the trip.
Yeah, baby.
I don't know what this would go
You think
to.
It's
it
got
goes
a,
in the back here somewhere?
but it doesn't have the
It's
shape.
not wide enough. It's got
Yeah.
a weird ass shape.
It looks like it goes in a thing.
That's why I was wondering if that was a cutout for the shifter, but I guess
Let's
that's
go on the trunk door now.
Does it go back here against the
No.
well?
What is, yeah.
Oh,
Is there some-
wait a minute.
What other pieces we got? Mr. Grant Sen has
No. This one's got me confused.
What about?
that it has me confoozled.
Oh, hold on.
It's a weird shape.
The front seats. Yeah, you're fine. Open it.
We need a piece that goes over
The
this,
transmission hump piece.
and then we need a piece. I mean, there's a piece that's a crossover for sure because that had
There should be
carpet.
side sill pieces, which I think are those long ones.
Yeah, those are the lot of skinny
Oh,
things.
wait. These probably go like. Hang on.
There's something that goes like that.
There would be something that goes.
Are you being like a seamstress?
trying?
Seamstress for the band.
You want to try to do it across this one?
Because we need a piece that does that number.
Oh, is there a piece that
It's
goes?
not wide enough there.
No, that's not it.
Unless.
There's a number,
No, that's not it though.
but there is a piece that will go for that.
Yeah.
Oh, even with the seats.
Yeah,
Because the seat only comes to here, so
because it's got to have
here.
carpeted everywhere.
I don't really give a lot of
Are these two the same?
pictures.
This
There's
one,
no
These are-
fucking
these are almost
information
the same.
whatsoever.
So this has got to go for.
Where the doors are.
This has got. This is like the right.
Well, it's got to go up where,
size.
see where Bobby's hand is there? There's a flat spot there that should have some carpet on it.
Right.
Yeah, this needs carpet here.
This is like the right length to do this.
That though looks like it will. This piece looks like it sits on this ledge
Got it.
and then kind of turns. See what I'm saying? Maybe
I
the
know,
other
those-
direction.
Oh, so these two are mirror pieces.
Yeah.
They are. Okay, maybe that one goes over here.
Oh, maybe.
But,
I think.
What
it's
if they
a
go-
I need to pray on this a little.
What if we go
Yes,
that end back
that's it.
here?
That's it. I guarantee that's it.
What if that end goes back here though? Like that one here. Scotty's throwing carpet at me.
I'll do it this way.
I'm gonna tell my mom.
We're gonna do it like this. So this goes here, and then.
No,
go
that's
back.
not cut enough. But that's not.
No, that's not.
No, that's peacock.
That's facocked for sure, buddy.
That's not gonna work either.
I don't know if I've.
Is this not? This one's numbered? Yes. No.
Nothing's numbered. That's
These are the only ones that aren't numbered.
these damn puzzles don't make a sense.
Everything else was so cut to fit. I don't
All
know
the big stuff was nice.
Yeah, what the hell's going on with this business?
Like, look at that. Like
Are there
the
instructions in the box that we just threw away?
no, there ain't nothing. Oh, hold on, sit up. Oh.